Good afternoon. Today is March 26th, 2019, and we're having a public hearing today. Commissioner John Hutchings is excused, and I will chair this particular meeting with Commissioner Ty Menser, and I am Commissioner Gary Edwards. So, the meeting is officially open for the public hearing. The county manager is going to update us a bit.
Thank you, Commissioner. The purpose of this public hearing is for you to take in public testimony related to proposed amendments to Chapter 5.49 of the Thurston County Code. In this particular change, is related to the membership of the Treatment Sales Tax Advisory Committee. Right now, the committee is a number of 7, and the proposal before you is perhaps to increase up to 9. I will ask probably Carrie Hennon to come to the podium and give additional information for you.
Hi, my name is Carrie Hennon. I'm the program manager for the treatment sales tax in Public Health and Social Services. As the county manager outlined, the proposal here would change the size of the treatment sales tax advisory committee from a fixed number of 7 to flexible language of no fewer than 7 members, no more than 9 members. The treatment sales tax advisory committee is a group of volunteers that makes non-binding recommendations to you, the Board of County Commissioners, on the use of treatment sales tax funds. This group has been operating for several years now and has worked really closely together and gets to know all the treatment sales tax funded programs and their data to make a really well-informed recommendation. That process is working well, and I think the rationale from that committee for asking you to consider this change was simply to create the opportunity to bring more diverse perspectives to the process. So the treatment sales tax touches on the law and justice system and youth serving agencies and serves many people experiencing homelessness. So it's great to have an advisory committee with many different perspectives and other related systems represented. So we did not receive any written testimony prior to this hearing, and I know you have heard a couple times about this proposal and the rationale.
Do we have any questions?
Commissioner Hutchings' name is spelled wrong on the proposed ordinance. That's all I got.
We can change that.
Got to look out for him when he's not here.
Thank you for that.
Okay, well, we've had a sign-in sheet at the back of the room, and at this point, we have not had any written testimony submitted, and we have not had any individuals sign in to testify. So I don't know if there is a legal time that we need to hold this meeting open or if we are allowed to move forward. I will refer to the county manager.
No, you just opened the public hearing. You don't have any testimony. At this point, you may consider closing the public hearing.
I guess I would like to make one comment that this is a funding source that is utilized in our community to do a lot of good, and we get advice from a body that oversees this and recommends to the county commissioners how this money is spent to do the most good. And as we move on, I know that Commissioner Hutchings had served on this particular board when it was first started. So I know he's got a lot of knowledge. He is not here today. He's been excused, but is a very active participant in what's going on. So I think I've spent enough time wondering if somebody was going to come in the door and sign in, and I don't think anybody's coming. So I'm going to say that I would entertain a motion to close this public hearing.
Move to close the hearing.
Second. All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Meeting is closed.
No, you for your consideration, you have an action for you to consider approving the ordinance before you, or you would like to defer that action to a later date.
You have something, sir? Do you want to say?
I just, I'm willing to make this motion if the time is right.
And as am I. I'm very supportive of us doing this, but I do think that Commissioner Hutchings would like to be involved and vote on it, as he's been here in this operation with TST for many years, and I'd just like to give him the opportunity to vote on it, just as a courtesy, even though he's not here. Is that okay with you, sir?
Yep.
So I will bring this this action for your April 2nd Board of County Commissioners meeting. You will see this item.
Okay, so this is probably a record. Thank you very much, and to the public, thank you for attending, and we'll see you next time around.
Thank you. Thank you, Gary.